So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito tatapusin lang po natin yung video series natin kabola kung saan pinapredict natin yung unang player po na iti-trade po ng bawat teams. Nasa Ginebra, Northport, Terra Firma, Blackwater na po tayo. Then talk about Blackwater and a legend of the PBA. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So sabi nga po ni Blackwater head coach Jeffrey Cariaso is far from discouraged about Blackwater's future amid losses. Then explained kabola that he looks to his team na promising daw ito kabola and etc. And if you look at the numbers, actually to be honest, wala po silang medyo obvious po dyan na promising na player if numbers ang po titignan mo. Pero of course, if you're familiar, of course, medyo may encourage ka sa mga pinapakita po ni Christian David, their top pick in the most recent draft kabola, 6'5", 6'6" kabola. And if you watch him play naman talaga, nandun yung potential that he can become a top 20, top 15 player po in the future dito po sa liga. And then nandyan si Suerte, sina Ilagan, kabola if we're talking about young players. Pero overall, actually, it's not as promising as he hopes to be. And then Andre Blatch, kabolas, di ba? This guy is a legend in the PBA. Matagal niya pong pinagservisyohan yung atin pong liga, kabola. Nag-give up na pala ito, no? Na makapasok po sa PBA kabola. And we of course know kung bakit din nahirapan siya pumasok kabola kasi of course may mga height limits, then dumating po yung pandemic kabola, and then of course meron siyang serbisyo po sa Gilas, and then naglaro din po siya sa ibang liga. Pero overall sayang, no? Sayang na hindi po ino-open ng PBA ang opportunity that dito pong mga na-naturalize na mga players ma-consider po na local. I-naturalize naman na po sila kabola, di ba? Sina Kwame, sina Brownlee actually. Pero now, of course, it will not be that easy. Malamang hindi rin po siya magiging madali kasi ni-accept po ng publiko. And then, check natin mga comments. May maganda kasi dito ng discussion dun sa atin pong recent actually na video regarding naman sa prediction natin na 2024 po na trade po ng San Miguel, and we ended up with Chris Ross. Sabi ni Harvest Moon, paki-explain nga paano naging si Ross. Ginawa na nga siyang part of the coaching staff ng if Ross will be traded. Yung sabi ni Ron Ignacio, mami lang yan, Lods, analysis niya yan. Sabi niya, feeling niya tama talaga siya kabola. Alam ka namang feeling ko, mali ako po. And of course, I will just show you my analysis. Pero hindi ko rin naman talaga po paminindigan, kumbaga po na 100% mangyayari yan. Of course, hindi. Diba? Pinapredict lang naman natin, binibigay lang naman po natin yung analysis natin. Then sabi pa niya, Magnolia fan kasi kaya medyo, sabi niya, I'm not a Magnolia fan kabola. I'm not a fan of his particular team po in the PBA, but I am fan of the league. Then sabi ni Harvest Moon, sa another reason is wala pa talagang papalit sa pwesto niya kasi CJ at Romeo parehong dos. I beg to disagree. They do score a lot, pero hindi dahil po magaling po silang umiscore kabola, hindi na po sila point guard. Those two can be still considered as point guards, lalo na si CJ. Remember, has been a top 5 assists per game po kabola ng matagal na. Si Ross of course, traditional kasi yan ng laruan niya, pero overall CJ and Romeo can still be considered po as point guard. Punta na tayo sa prediction natin. Start natin po sa Northport Batang Pier. I think Joshua Munzon kabola. I think it's the perfect time to trade him. Nakukuha na niya yung laro niya. Ang tingin pa rin sa kanya ng tao ay isang malaking bust kabola. So trading him, yung explanation to do that, hindi po masyadong mahirap kabola. So kumbaga hindi po makakapagbababa ng imahen nila pag trinade nila si Munzon. Kaya siya po yung prediction natin. Then firma, Wami Chongson. Diba? Kung ikaw yung player at sobrang tagal mo nang nagtatatalo, diba? Darating ka pa rin sa point sa palagay ko naman na gugustuhin mo nang maglaro po sa tunay na team. And I think darating sa point na ganun si Wami Chongson, kabola, or even the management, that they will want kabola to get something in return for him. Blackwater Elite will be Troy Rosario, kabola. Yeah, we are just following the rumors. Sobrang lakas po ng rumor ngayon that Rosario will go to another team. But of course, we are still hoping na hindi po yan mangyayari kasi malamang kung mangyayari po yan, it will become a farm team trade na naman, di ba? And again, we are against that farm team trades kabola. Then Ginebra, I'm actually going with Maverick Anmisi kabola. I think coach team ko values kasi yung chemistry kabola, and si Anmisi of course siya yung bagong pasok, and wala silang give up to get him, so kumbaga perfect na perfect siya to trade for someone kabola, although he's actually a good fit with their team. Pero if they can get a better fit, a better talent, Kabola, they could exchange him. And nakita naman natin, sobrang ganda ng numero niya. So kahit pa young superstar yan, malamang tatanggapin po yan ng public. Kabakabola sa palingin mo, sino pong unang ititrade po ng Hinebra? Comment lang po sa baba.